The Supreme Court has directed all the state governments to take a policy call on how to curb unreasonable charges and the exploitation of patients in private hospitals. It's a very, very big update that affects people across the country. In fact, the Supreme Court has spoken about the huge charges that are levied on patients, the exploitation of patients in these private hospitals, also compelling patients to buy medicines from the in-house pharmacies. In fact, PIL sought directions to restrain hospitals from compelling patients to buy medicines and medical supplies exclusively from in-house pharmacies at allegedly exorbitant rates. So the Supreme Court has now stepped in and had said that it may be advisable for the Supreme Court to itself for interference with the issue in issuing mandatory directions. Let's open this up. My colleagues Neha as well as Adib are joining us on the broadcast with the details. Neha, this is not a new issue. There are many who have spoken about the exorbitant rates that they have to shell out in the private hospitals. The Supreme Court has stepped in and this is going to affect people across the country. What are the changes that can be expected now that the state governments have been asked to formulate in this regard?
Well, yes, Pratibha, we've been speaking with people about this, and one interesting thing that, people here have echoed is while it's a welcome directive here of the Supreme Court, would it be implemented to the T is a question that's been raised. This is not the first time that, something like this has cropped up. We'll take this straight across now to a couple of people from Bengaluru who are joining us. Sir, I want to start by asking you, we see today hospitals are allowed to charge precisely how much ever they want to, while there may, be a rough cap of how much they cannot charge over. Supreme Court now says state governments should take, control of this. They should form a policy and make sure private hospitals do not overcharge patients. How do you see this move?
Good morning. I am Chandrasekhar, a resident of Shantinagar, Bengaluru. At the outset, I would like to congratulate, compliment and appreciate the judgment by the Supreme Court. It's a wonderful decision. And also I would like to pray God to bless the honest, I repeat, the honest judges who are committed, dedicated and doing a human job.
Yeah.
And regarding the concerned point, I would like to say that the doctors and hospitals are mercilessly charging the patients huge amounts, and they don't have any concern for the poor. Okay. They don't have any concerns for the poor, for the patients. And I feel it is at the ground level we need to think about this.
The implementation.
We have to think about at the ground level. You are not giving seats for the deserving poor students who are brilliant, who will be the best doctors in the world. You are charging hefty fees. You are making all sorts of drama for giving them admissions in the medical colleges.
Okay.
And you are charging heavy donations, heavy fees. So those doctors
these
who
are the reasons why these hospitals charge exorbitantly, but it's the patients that end up shelling this amount, which is of a huge concern. Neha, you can continue that conversation. I want to introduce Isha as well, but before that, let me go across to Adib. Adib, many citizens have raised their concerns. Not the first time. They've spoken about how one visit to the hospital ends up with exorbitant bills in their hands. And the Supreme Court has now stepped in and has put the ball in the state government's court.
Well, definitely, Pratibha. See, whenever a person goes to the private hospital, he ends up losing a lot of money because of the kind of charges, the kind of money that they are charging to the patients, and they force that the medical reports, medical reports should be done by their labs only. The medicine should be by the in-house pharmacy only. Now, if the Supreme Court has directed the state governments to create a policy, to draft a policy, this will surely help the common people. In fact, we have joined by some people. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है कि जो प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स होते हैं पेशेंट से ज्यादा पैसा लेते हैं, उनको फोर्स करते हैं कि वो उन्हीं की फार्मेसी से दवाइयां लें. क्या लगता है कि कितना ये सही फैसला है?
बहुत ही अच्छा कोर्ट का फैसला है. और वैसे भी जो जितनी आम जनता है, जितने भी गांव देहात के जितने भी गरीब लाचार लोग हैं, बेचारे प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल में जाते हैं, इलाज ही नहीं करा पाते हैं. और जो सरकारी सुविधाएं, जो सरकारी हॉस्पिटल हैं, उसमें वो सुविधाएं उनको बेचारों को मिल नहीं पाती है. हम लोग तो यही चाहते हैं कि
आपका क्या मानना है कि क्या अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने फैसला लिया है कि प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स पे जो चार्ज होते हैं उनको कम होना चाहिए, सही फैसला है? किस तरह से स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को पॉलिसी बनानी चाहिए?
देखिए, न्यायालय का फैसला है तो वो सर्वोच्च होता है। न्यायालय का फैसला कभी भी सर्वोच्च माना गया है और रहता भी है संविधान के हिसाब से। बाकी जो न्यायालय ने बोला है कि अगर हॉस्पिटलों में इलाज के पैसों को अगर कम किया जाए तो उससे ये हो सकता है कि भैया जो आम जनता है वो एक बढ़िया इलाज और बढ़िया व्यवस्था के साथ अपनी सारी चीजों को मतलब इलाज की व्यवस्था में इस्तेमाल कर सकती है।
अच्छा इलाज मिले।
What many are saying is that they want medical aid from these hospitals, but not at such huge charges. And in fact, they've been costing a lot, which many patients have spoken about. So the court has said that the policymakers are best equipped to take a holistic view and formulate guidelines in this regard. Thanking our reporters for joining us on the broadcast. Slipping into a quick break. We'll be right back.